Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a workspace in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to delete a workspace in Notion. First, you need to open Notion and select the workspace. So right here is a workspace here, and this is pretty much the only workspace I have, which is Amanda Mac. From the sidebar on the left, selecting the workspace you want to delete, which is here. And if you're already in the workspace, just go ahead and proceed to the next step. In the upper left corner of the screen, click on the workspace name or click on the workspace logo to open the workspace menu. Once you're here, from this drop down options, go ahead and click on settings. Then head over to the left panel. You're going to see a couple of options here, which include my account, my settings, my notifications, my connections, language and region, and you have the second category, which is the workspace. And then you have upgrade plan, you have settings, you have team spaces, you have people, you have sites, you have security and data, identity and provisioning, you have connections, and of course you have import. Now on the workspace, go ahead and click on settings. Now in the settings window, you will see multiple options, which include the name, you have the icon, you have public settings, you have export content, you have export members, you have analytics, and of course you have the danger zone. Now scroll all the way down until you find danger zone section. This is where options for deleting and other irreversible actions are found. So under the danger zone, you're going to find delete entire workspace option. Now, once you click on delete entire workspace option, you're going to see the next prompt. Select that. Now, this confirmation prompt will appear. You will need to confirm that you want to delete the workspace by tapping the name of the workspace in the confirmation box, which is here. And we have just one workspace, which is Amanda Mac. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on permanently delete workspace to finalize the process. I'd like you to note that only admins can delete a workspace. So if you're not an admin, you won't be able to access the deletion option. Deleting a workspace is permanent and all data in the workspace will be lost. Be sure that you have blocked up any important information, and that's it. The workspace should now be deleted. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.